Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Journey with Josh. Don't forget to click on that like and subscribe and that notification bell to get all the notifications for the new videos. On this edition, we are taking a road trip up to Orlando. It's a beautiful rainy day in sunny South Florida, actually middle Florida. We wanted to get away from the Super Bowl and all the madness down there. Kind of glad we did because they got flooding rains last night. Right now we are pulling into the parking lot. We decided to go to Epcot. It's more of an adult type thing. We really like going to the restaurants, and they have a few things that we'll talk about a little bit later. So right now we're just going to park. Thanks again for joining us, and let's go have some fun. The rain has stopped and we're waiting for a tram to take us in. Just as a tip, you could probably walk instead of taking the tram. It was probably maybe 1/3 of a football field walk. So we took the tram mainly because it was raining a little bit. Yeah, you could probably walk. Bad lighting. We are on Spaceship Earth. We're gonna see what if anything's new in the last 5 years.
It's time to go.
What if Nemo's shooting out the sea? And all of them are out there for me.
That's what I'm afraid of.
The big blue world.
Just finished going into the seas with Nemo and friends. Kind of cool. They have a lot of fish in there, sharks and stuff, so it was a lot of fun. Now we're going to go to the pavilions where we can start doing some adult things. I think we're going to have some drinks. We're going to do some wine tasting. I think it's about $30, so let's go have some adult fun. walked through Canada, and we just left England, and I think next is going to be maybe France. So we're getting ready to get to the good stuff.
So one of the things that we like to do is not advertise. They have a wine walk, and if you go to France, Germany, and Italy, you get 2 each glasses of samples of wine. The cost is $32. I think Josh has a picture of the menu, and you just sit there and stroll around and enjoy the wine.
And where do we go?
France, Italy,
What place?
Germany.
What place here?
Oh, this was Le Vin de France or something.
Le
like that.
Vin de France.
It's like the wines of France.
So you get 2 glasses here. It is a Pinot Noir and a Vouvray. So yeah, as I said before, it's time to adult. Oh, that's sweet.
The Vouvray is a sweeter.
One of the great things about being able to buy this little pass here, you're able to go to different places and try different types of wine. So you can try the sweeter white wine that we just had, the Vouvray, and then there's also the Pinot Noir. And you get to do that at all 3 places, France, Germany, and Italy. So it's a great way of wine tasting. And as Doug said earlier, it's not advertised. It costs about $32 a person. You get 2 ounces of each wine that you get to try, and at each place you get 2 glasses. So it's about 4 ounces that you're getting total. It's a little bit expensive, but here at Disney you're going to be paying $14 for a glass of wine anyway. You can even in the France area here get a glass of Dom Perignon for $45. So yeah, it's a great thing to do. So the next step is going to be probably what, Germany?
Germany, Italy.
Well, Germany or Italy, I guess that's it.
There's a bunch of countries in between, so.
Hi guys, so I'm in Italy in Epcot, and we had our 2 wines. One was a white wine that was semi-sweet. It was okay, it was pretty good. The other one was closer to a port. It was a dessert wine, very sweet. I liken it to Mad Dog 2020, sorry. But yeah, it was okay. I went ahead and got a limoncello spritzer. This right here is a limoncello spritzer. It's a berry limoncello along with prosecco. So it's actually pretty good. It cost $11. Not bad for Disney. So yeah, it's pretty good. Next up is Germany. We were going to go over to Mexico and have margaritas, but the line there was outrageous, and so we decided to leave the park. So we are going to go over to Disney Springs for a meet and greet with Pero DJ. If you don't know Pero DJ, they are a couple who does cruise videos on YouTube, and they're some of the best I've ever seen. They're a lot of fun, and I think that you will enjoy them. So look them up, Pero DJ on YouTube. So thanks again for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Really appreciate that. Hope you enjoyed this one. And I will see you later. Thanks for tripping with me. Hi guys, so we are staying at the Hampton Inn Lake Buena Vista. Fairly reasonable hotel. It is very close to Epcot and most of the other parks. There are a lot of restaurants around, so you won't be hunting for anything to eat around here. So yeah, so this right here is a nice hotel. I'll show you really quickly what we have here. The bathroom is a very nice sized bathroom. Have plenty of space for all of your toiletries. You have the toilet, and then you have your bathtub, and you have toiletries that come with the room. This room has 2 double beds. You have plenty of outlets for all of your devices. You have a large screen TV. You also have a microwave. And in here, you have a refrigerator. You have a small desk, again with more outlets to plug in all of your electronic devices. And then you also have a seating area with a small table. You also have a small coffee maker. This coffee is nasty. It is always nasty in every hotel. I don't know why they use it. Anyway, so this hotel also comes with breakfast in the mornings. They have, this morning they had omelets and sausage. The coffee is fairly good coffee. I recommend this just for the coffee itself. As everyone will probably know, I am a very picky coffee drinker. So this place has really good coffee, always has. So yeah, this is a great place. I strongly recommend it if you get a good deal, especially. So again, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to click on that like and subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell to get all the notifications for all videos that I do. Thanks again, and thanks for tripping with me.